Hi guys, let's take a look at this question where we have a diagram that shows us the initial position of the coil in a simple DC generator. The coil is rotated in an anti-clockwise direction and it's shown here below. 9.1. Name the component in this generator that ensures that the induced current in the external circuit is in one direction only, and that is called the split ring. 9.1.2. Is the direction of the induced current x to y or y to x? It is y to x. You can clearly see it there. It's rotating in an anti-clockwise direction. So from y to x. A maximum voltage of 90 volts is generated when the coil is rotating at a frequency of 20 Hz. 9.1.3. Write down the time taken to complete one rotation. Okay. So we need to use this formula, T equals to 1 over F. So 9.1.3, T equals to 1 over F. We want time, so we can put our frequency of 20 Hertz. We jot that into our calculator, 1 over 20, that gives us 0.05 seconds. Then 9.1.4, the coil starts rotating from the initial position as shown in the diagram above. Sketch a graph of output voltage versus time for one complete rotation of the coil. Indicate the maximum voltage, which was given here as 90 volts, and the relevant time values on the graph. Okay, so I'm just going to write it here on the side. 9.1.4. So I'm first going to just draw my axis and I'm going to label it. So time is going to be here, so time is going to be seconds, and they want output voltage, so output voltage is volts. My maximum voltage is 90 as given, and it will start at 0. Then I have 0.05 seconds right there, so that's going to be the end time for, because remember we were asked to write down the time taken for a complete rotation, and we said it takes 0.05 seconds. So 0.05 seconds would be then the end time there. And then half of that would be 0.025 seconds. Okay, so I'll just draw my dash to know where I have to stop. Right, so they want one complete rotation of the coil. So we'll go from 0 all the way up to 0.025. Then one more from 0.025 all the way up to 90 and back down to 0.05. And that's how you would draw the graph of one complete rotation of the coil. And yeah, that is it. I took my maximum voltage as positive, so my graph will be above the line. But if you took your maximum voltage as negative 90, you would have an upside down graph. But I mean, the question gave us as 90 volts as positive, so you wouldn't have to draw minus 90. But if you did, they wouldn't accept it as incorrect. They would take it as correct. All right, guys, and that's it. See ya.